Hello, viewers. Welcome to all at this particular platform. As you know, we are Craft Your Career Educations Private Limited, and we are running a very good awareness during this pandemic time. Spread the awareness, and today we have a episode number 12, and today we have a very dynamic personality. We have and we have a very good topic also that is in demand of current situation or current time. So let me introduce today's guest. She is Nishi ma'am. She is a special educator and counseling psychologist, therapist, motivational speaker, dietitian, and as well as anchor. And she has a 10-year of experience, and she is dealing with her special need children and different behavioral issues, right? So Nishi ma'am, welcome to you for this particular initiative, and I'm really happy to see you at this platform, so that with your expertise and with your knowledge, definitely our participants, our viewers will get benefited about the topic that we are going to discuss today. That is again very important, ADHD, and the diet required for such kind of child or such kind of patients, right? So welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chandan. Thank you so much, and thank you for this wonderful introduction. And I love to, prevail the awareness among the people, because it's a matter of awareness, because people should know what actually diet should be given to ADHD. So as you said that earlier I was a dietitian, so somehow it goes connected when I deal with special children, whether it is autism, whether it is Down syndrome, and whether it is ADHD. So everywhere it's combined as a diet, therapies, observation, and diet is a main thing, you can say. It is very essential, you can say. So it's when we talk about ADHD, that everybody knows that attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Here I'm going to a little bit edit, I can say, that why disorder. We can't say anything as a disorder. Yes, of course, medically it's a term, but when we talk to the parents, when we deal with the child, we should not use these words, it impact negatively. So we can say the ample amount of energy. What I can say, when I was dealing with the child, when I was dealing with the parents especially, I used to say my own vocabulary, that is, a child is having ample amount of energy, means a person who may be a kid, maybe an adult, but he is having ADHD, means he is having a huge amount of energy. So what we can do as a special educator or therapist, we can channelize those energy in positive manner, isn't it? So when we come on a diet, very first I can say sugar. Sugar, everybody knows that, layman also knows that sugar is content high energy. So first we should reduce the sugar level. Like you can see then in Indian, the mother and all, everything she will add sugar, like when she is giving milk, when she is making some food stuff. So everywhere there is, when we talk about kid, sugar is a part of the diet.
It's
So
not
first
about
we should
it's not about mothers only, like it's our diet system कि हर चीज में मुझे
yeah.
चीनी डालना है. Yeah.
Exactly. So here I should say one line that is very nice. जैसा अन्न वैसा तन और वैसा ही मन. So we should understand that if we take sugar in huge amount, that is not wrong generally. But when we talk about ADHD child, we should reduce the sugar. We should stop giving sugar more and more, like chocolate, sugar, kheer, halwa, and these kinds of stuff. We can give sugar once in a day, that is enough, but not in every diet. Like breakfast, in breakfast you had given a jam, and after that you have given a kheer, and after that in snacks in evening you are giving a halwa. So that is not good. Okay, and second, that is high protein. High protein is required. Why? Because that everything, comes from neurons. All the time, when one of my parents asked me, "She, you always talk about neurons, neurons, neurons. Why you are talking about neurons? So we are not a science student. We can getting your neurology and all." Then I say, to the parents, because parents satisfaction is required when you're dealing with the child. When
Correct.
parents are not satisfied, you are not going to getting output, because in 1 hour session or 40-minute session you can't do a miracle. So it's a
Mm.
teamwork, like parents, therapist, school management and doctor. So every one should work together. So the parent satisfaction. So I said, ma'am, though I'm not a neurologist, I'm not a scientist, but why I'm talking about neurons? See, our brain has millions of neurons and
Mm.
everything. Chandan, I'll tell you. So anything, any task, you can tell me that without brain we can't do. Even we can't hold a pen, we can't take a glass, hold a glass. We can't do anything without our brain's instruction. So
Yeah,
everything
even
is, is yeah.
even in the sports also, we are talking a lot more about ki, in sports we require lots of physical presence. But again, you have to make a lots of strategies. You have to make a lots of
Hmm.
planning कि कहाँ पे even in every sports कि कहाँ गोल मारना है, किसको पास देना है, या फिर in cricket कहाँ पे रन बनाना है, कहाँ पे कैसे चौका मारना है. तो ये
Hmm.
सारी चीजें it's all including, it's
Exactly.
all involved your mind.
Absolutely. So without neurons work, we can't do anything. And neurons are related to our brain process, and brain gives us instruction, and we are doing. And always you are when you go for observation, or when you go for diagnostic of the child, you can see that all these disorders are neurological disorder, not only physical. So we should work upon neurons, what neurons required. So high protein diet gives you energy, as well as your body required some kind of strength and quick reaction, quick impact. Whatever you want to do, you have to think before, but it would be very quick. It's not take a time, a lethargic manner, you can't do anything. So what happened when a child is ADHD? Absolutely, they are very much energetic, and if you are not going to channelize, if you are not going to process on the dietary system, then it is going to hamper and the energy increase, and maybe this hyperactivity can increase, and it is also become a one of the sign of aggression.
Mm.
For example, you have heard sometimes like a small children can hold a bench in a school and
Mm.
hit someone. So when you know something comes on the child who is suffering from ADHD, we school management and we as a therapist can handle. But when it comes to another child, when he hits someone else, why other parents will, accept? They will
Mm.
not accept. So on that
Correct.
moment, when the child is going to inclusive education and there are peer groups, we should understand which kinds of diet we should give. So it is very much required. So the healthy food, you can say the healthy food doesn't mean that only sugar, only desi ghee, only like rich in a fat. So we should as a dietitian I can say that if a child is non vegetarian, you can give fish, egg, beans. And if the child is vegetarian, you can give a low fat dietary product like milk, paneer, soya. And these kinds of things are very very beneficially affects on ADD child. So this is all I can say that they can prevent the blood sugar which increase the hyperactivity. So eating protein in a breakfast, it will help in a body produce brain awakening, you can say. And that is also impact on trigger on neurotransmitters.
Mm.
So it should be understand.
So it means I can say there must be a proper fooding schedule for a particular ADHD kids or
Hmm.
ADHD children,
Absolutely.
right? All right. So how we do a planning for that, ma'am?
Yes. So, yeah, initially, you have to take care about the before 7 years of the age. If the child is before 7 years, that would be very good time. You can say a right time to plan a diet, because diet plan is required, and there you should also understand the food habits and food manner, because every family and every you can say every religion have different food patterns, food habits. We should understand first, and we can add when we start, like morning breakfast, and then lunch, then snacks, and then bedtime. So all these things, what you need to understand, that combining protein with complex carbs, that is high in fiber and low in sugar, that will help to manage the child ADD symptoms or ADHD symptoms, you can say. And it is better to during the day, whether you are taking sometimes the child is on medication, so it is also helpful on medication, because if the child is severe, so in medication also protein and high carb and low sugar is required. And yes, the sugar consumption on a whole day, you should understand that how much sugar you are giving. And sometimes it would be you can change, like if you are giving like chapati, you are giving rice, you are giving dal, means in protein level you have to make high. And yes, of course, you have to understand the workout. If the child is sitting, these days what happen in online classes, child is sitting whole day, the child is not going out, not playing, so where energy burn. So we should understand also, because ADD or ADHD child is having a ample amount of energy. So because of that, I am telling this time and again, we should release the energy. So what you do, because of rich protein they are taking, and low sugar, but only giving low sugar is not reduce the energy, you should burn out the energy. What you should plan in between the diet plan for a week plan, and in between the diet plan you have to add the physical activity, but it would be like fun way. Like you can't say to the child, okay, go for a walk, go for a gym, and go for workout. No, they will not. So what we have to understand, that a fun way, like the child can play skating, tabla, boxing, and karate, or anything which can burn the energy. And because of that, the child will become calm. You know why? But when we are getting tired, what we do, we just relax. So when a child is getting tired, they will relax, and they will get sound sleep, and they will get a high amount of liquid. They need water, they need liquid. So it will help to calm down. And of course meditation is also required, but these two things, that is dietary plan and workout with lots of fun.
So it means along with the diet, or even I must say proper planning of diet, along with that, the
Yeah,
physical workout is also very much important, very much required for ADHD
exactly.
kids, right? All right. So
Yeah.
how food habits affect on mood? वो मूड कैसे अफेक्ट करता है कि जब हम कोई भी एक फूड हैबिट की बात करते हैं, वट एवर, चाहे वो
Hmm.
किसी भी टर्म में हम बात करें, चाहे वो पिज्जा हो या फिर बर्गर हो या फिर
Correct.
कोई भी एक डाइट प्रोग्राम हो, तो हाउ इट अफेक्ट्स द मूड?
Exactly. Chandan, it is a beautiful question. यहाँ थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बताऊंगी, in our mythological world, you can say, हम कहते हैं कि तामसिक भोजन से दूर रहें, you know. तो जो लोग जरा
True.
हिंदी समझ रहे होंगे, तो तामसिक भोजन जब हम खाते हैं, आप सोच सकते हो कि तामसिक भोजन के बाद कोई भजन कीर्तन नहीं करेगा, that affects our mood,
True.
though we are not ADHD, बट दैट इफेक्ट्स आर मूड. और आपने बड़ा अच्छा कहते हैं ना वेजिटेरियन और बड़ा ही सादा सा भोजन किया हो, तो हम वी फील गुड, वी फील लाइट. You can observe that when you come from the party, when you come from the these kinds of junk food or something you have ate and come from the return from the party, you feel very uneasy, you are not feeling well. So what we can do, we can take some supplement. Okay, hum ye le lete hain, and we go for walk and something like that. But when you eat a food cooked at your home and very light food, you will feel light. So it's of course it depends. So this kinds of food also depends on mood. When a child get all the time junk food, all the time munching habits, sometimes what happen, the child is having munching habits, that chips, burger, pizza, and all the time kurkure, all the time he or she needs something to munch. They are
mm,
not hungry, but they are getting habit of munching. So it should be, eliminated from the ADHD child. It is because the chemicals in that product, it is very very harmful, though it is harmful for everyone, but for ADHD that is more harmful because of the mood. So if I can say that that will trigger,
mm,
like you can see when a child is, you are see storytelling when we because why I am adding all these things when I deal with ADHD child, when I start storytelling, when I start a very calm story. Yeah, once
mm,
upon a time there was a king and this, the child will listen properly. When I say, oh, there was a big ghost and they came like this, the child will excited,
yeah,
they will
true.
trigger.
Mm,
So if the food you can give, like non-veg, always non-veg, non-veg is good, but
mm,
7 days you are giving non-veg. And third, junk food. Second, outside food, not only junk, that is out.
mm,
Even you are taking roti dal from outside, that is also not good, because you don't know which kinds of food stuff they are using, and some colors they are using, some food that makes beautiful foods, and they are doing like this. So we should understand what we are giving to our kids. And when we talk about ADHD, the mood swings. Why mood swings? Because of these things. Someday you will see that, okay, yeah, of course emotions are there. Some,
mm,
sometimes children are that have some cognitive issues also, but the food are the main. So here I can add that child should have a glass of juice, and some kind of, when you have a glass of juice, you can raise your blood sugar quickly, and they will balance.
mm,
They will not, your body response, like when you run, and then when you get a glass of glucose, that will increase your body hormones and release the stress hormones. So that is, you can say that the hormones that drive sugar down to too low level and
mm,
causing the release of stress hormones, that can say that result. You can say that when a child releasing the stress hormone, maybe it will show anger, tantrum, irritation, but yes, of course they are releasing. Fine. So these things impact on a mood. So we should very very careful about when we talk about ADHD mood. And yes, here also one thing you need to understand, that if a child is stubborn and
mm,
taking something very specific, that I want this, on that time you have to understand that you are dealing with ADHD child. You should not say no. On that time you have to make a balance,
mm.
that how you manage the mood of the child. After some time you can say, okay, that son, this is not good for you, but on that moment you have to manage yourself, control your emotions. So it is very important when we deal about the mood. Yeah.
So yeah, so we can say rather than regularly feeding of kurkures and all those things. So you
Mm.
so
Yeah.
kids should eat sorry drink glass of juices, or maybe a household eating particles or eating things,
Yes.
or diets
Mm.
that can resolve their regular chewing process, right?
Exactly.
All right. So, ma'am, see, ADHD is the category of learning disability, right? With this particular question, I wanted to know, or my viewers wanted to know that whether the diet plan or importance of diet is only for the ADHD, under the ADHD, or it is applicable for all LD problems.
Uh, First of all, Chandan, here, I'm sorry, but I'm going to correct you
Hmm,
that ADHD is not coming on learning
hmm,
disability. Fine.
hmm, hmm,
In learning disability, there is some criteria, that is dyslexia, dyscalculia,
hmm, hmm, hmm,
dysgraphia,
hmm,
dyspraxia. These uh, three, four, conditions you can say it comes. So, yeah, of course, diet is for everyone.
hmm,
This what we are discussing, that is specific for ADHD, because ADHD required uh, high protein, complex carbs and fiber, and I can say the example, that is oatmeal. Oats, you can understand that we are taking oats.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can give oat milk, and a glass of milk means we can soak a oat on a milk, in the milk, and we can mix it, grind it, and give it to the ADHD child, because they need a lot of roughage. Peanut butter you can give, and piece of whole grain bread. The sugar, a form of carbohydrate, you can say, because it is a very slowly digestible if you give the without whole grain, because of protein, fiber, and you can say fat also you can give. So nothing is, that you have to reduce, except sugar. But here I can say that if you go for diet, every disorder has a specific diet. You can't give a general diet, because of that, as a special educator, what I do, I can deal one to one child, I can't deal a group of child. Because if two child is ADHD, even though they are brothers, they are sisters, but I can't give a same diet plan, a same planning for academic or behavior for both. Why? Because every child is different, and every child's requirement is different, every child needs are different, every child's mood swings are different. So because of that, in every syndrome, maybe it is autism, maybe it is Down syndrome, maybe it is cerebral palsy, every child required a different kinds of specific diet plan, and that would be done after a observation. Like, it will take a time. Once a child comes to you, for you have to ask for what they need. You, if they say okay, they need a diet plan, what you can focus, what I will focus on, only diet. But the whole day I need to plan, and after a day, what I am doing, that I can make a small small goal, that is called some short term goal and some long term goal. Short term goal means I need to plan for one day, like morning to evening bedtime. And long term goal is that weekly plan, because we can't plan for a month. Because anything you can say very easily, but it comes, when it comes practically, it is not so easy. If I say okay, you can give a oat milk, though the child is not accepting, child will not take, or maybe if the child take, the body will not take. Sometimes it also happen. You should understand what his or her body accept, what is the food manners, food habits, and yes, the I can say workout, the process, the body, you can say the behavior, what the child is doing, if the child is sitting at home, child is going to school, the age of child. So lots of factors are there. So here I want to conclude only the things that in one time only one child can be deal, whether it is diet or any other issues.
Okay, great. So my another question is, कि as we all know, or we are going through this corona crisis, right? And mostly the cases are like कि बच्चे जो भी इस problem से जूझ रहे हैं, या फिर जो भी those are suffering from this ADHD problem and various other problems as well. The approach
Yeah.
approach with the counselor is not possible, at least during this particular time physically. राइट तो अब अभी हम लोग ऑनलाइन बेसिस पे ही हम लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं कि यूजुअली
Exactly.
काउंसलर्स और स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स इंटरेक्ट टुगेदर एट अ ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज कि यहाँ पे फिर पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है टू टेक केयर ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ किड्स, राइट? क्योंकि ऐसा होता था कि बिफोर पेंडेमिक बच्चा क्लिनिक जाता था या फिर काउंसलर के साथ फिजिकली इंटरेक्ट करता था, सो दैट कि वहां पे काउंसलर्स को भी एक आइडिया लगता था कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग, राइट? बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑनलाइन एक्सप्लोरेशन और पेंडेमिक टाइम, व्हाट इज योर सजेशन फॉर द पेरेंट्स कि किस तरीके से उन बच्चों को अभी इस डिफिकल्ट टाइम में, क्योंकि आई नो कि जब आप एक कमरे में बंद रहते हो, क्योंकि अभी आज का जो एक टाइम है, हम यही कह सकते हैं कि अभी हर एक इंसान, चाहे नॉर्मल हो या फिर वो डिसेबल्ड हो या फिर किसी भी तरीके से, वो आज के टाइम में एक कमरे में बंद है अपने, राइट? क्योंकि सोशल इंटरेक्शन मिसिंग है, एक बॉडी का मूवमेंट एकदम ऑलमोस्ट ठप हुआ पड़ा है। तो इन सच केसेस द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, व्हाट आई फील कि पेरेंट्स की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है दैट इज very much increased right, to take care of them. So what is your suggestion, what is your guidance for those parents who those kids are suffering from ADHD या फिर और भी other disabilities के साथ?
या चंदन, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, ये सवाल मुझे सिर्फ इंडिया में ही सुनने को मिलता है, लेकिन जब मैं इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स के साथ डील करती हूँ, पहले भी करती आई हूँ, अभी थोड़ा पेंडेमिक में थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन, तो
Yes.
सब एकदम ऑनलाइन चल रहा है, तो बहुत ही ज्यादा कहते हैं एकदम फ्लड सा हो गया है मेरे साथ, तो वहां ये सवाल नहीं आता बिकॉज when we deal with the foreign parents, they are very much aware. I'm not telling
Yes.
that Indian parents are not aware, but Indian parents are, I can say a little bit, they are not focusing on the movement, like they are sitting at home and they don't know how to deal with the child. It is very simple. When you are in the house, you have a many activities, and because of that, what is my mission? That is trained to the mother. I always do the same, like when I was dealing with India, or when I dealing with foreign parents. So train to the mother is very important, because if you say that online sessions, okay, as a counselor I'll give the online session for 1 hour, but how could a parent understand that in after 1 hour what would be the child do? Child is doing the same thing what the parents are doing. So here I'll tell you, children are very very smart these days, the young blood, they
True.
are not doing what you are telling, what you are instructing, they are doing what you are doing. They are a keen observer. When we say about a counseling, see, if you are telling don't shout, and you are shouting in front of children with your partner or with anyone, when you're talking at home in your relatives or any kind of shouting, they will learn. You are telling don't tell lie, and someone came on the door and you said, okay child, go and say mom is not here. Indirectly you are teaching how to smartly tell lie. See, so not only for a special child are also very very more observant, but if you're talking about child, so what you have to do first, you have to take care about yourself. सीधी सी बात है, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा कुछ ऐसी चीजें ना करे, तो सबसे पहले आप वो चीज ना करें, and you have to plan the whole day. Like your next question is that how we deal with these kinds of children at home in this lockdown. Yes, here morning to evening there are many kinds of work at home, right? First you are going to fresh. Second, going to kitchen for breakfast. Third, washing clothes, bathing, and lots of work, cleaning house because maids are not there. So please involve your child, because academic education certification is not that much necessary. Your child should learn life skill, how to live life, how to clean the house, how to cut the vegetables, how to fold the clothes. All these things are learning. We as a therapist, we are giving lots of these kinds of ADL activities every day, daily living activities we are giving. Why? Because if your child is getting good marks, but he or she don't know how to fold the clothes, how to wear the clothes, how to button, how to tie a shoelace. So these are your depend on your fine motor skills, your gross motor skills, and your each and everything depends on your life skill, how you live. If you talk about adult child, see, okay, this is a lockdown, but after lockdown or before lockdown, if you say your child maybe in class 9th or 8th, that okay, you need to go independently and you have to use a metro, they are not capable to use that metro card and going to the metro from one station to another station. So you have to do these things, that your child will learn how to live, how to move, how to talk, how to sit, how to behave from others. So if any relatives come to your house, how to talk, each and everything depends on your process. So how you can do, you need to contact professionals like we as a special educator, therapist, trainer. when you are contacting, don't leave your child alone that okay, therapist is taking class online and you are going out. No, you have to sit with your child. Chandan, I'll tell you, whenever I am taking online classes, my parents are sitting there, you know, all my parents of the kids and all, they are sitting besides of the child, and whatever I'm dealing, every parents has one diary that is called Nishi ma'am diary, you know, they are written the name, and each and every activity what I am doing, I am telling to them also. Like if I'm dealing with autism, I said okay, if the child is not giving eye contact, you need to, if you are a mother, you are a sister, you need to put a bindi on your forehead and see the child, look here, whenever you're talking, you have to see here, and the child is looking. And I'm telling you, because of these things, it's a teamwork, the output comes easily and
Exactly.
more faster, you can say. Because if you work alone, the you know, output will come, definitely come, but it will take time. But if everyone work as a team, your parents, you, the child, and the relatives, everyone, so family environment, and yes, that is very important. I'll tell you, if in your family environment, if there is not you can say some rules should be there. Like if sometimes, you know, mother said for something yes and father says no, so it should not be happen. No means no and yes means yes. When parenting comes, you need to very specific before speaking to the child what you are going to say. If you are saying no, means both of the parent or everyone would say no. Like for example, if child is asking ice cream,
Hmm. True.
mother says no, and father say okay, ask to mother, then again mother say no, and what child do, because child is very smart, he will go for grandparents, and grandparents say yes. So it should be not take as a ego, it should be take as a, see, everybody wants child's welfare,
Hmm.
nobody wants something happen to wrong to the child. But we should understand the family environment, and family discipline would be there. So it is very important.
And what is right and wrong for the children, that must have to understand by the elders only, whether you are a
Exactly.
grandparent, whether you are a father, whether you are a mother. And I do agree with you, ma'am. Even it is not for disabled children, it is applicable for every children. Even in the normal context is everybody should play in a team in the development of in their development. As I have
Exactly.
seen many of the cases related to academic development or multidimensional development. What I have
Hmm.
seen the difference is कि if parent usually taken the admission in a particular school, then they thought कि okay ठीक है, मैंने अब एडमिशन करा दिया, अब सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अब स्कूल की हो गई. ट्यूशन में एडमिशन
Hmm.
करा दिया, अब सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जिम्मेदारी ट्यूशन वाले की हो गई, अब हम घर पे बच्चे को पढ़ाएंगे ही नहीं. And it is
Yes.
actually happening क्योंकि I am
Hmm.
connected with the lots of educational institutes या और students, so I have seen those things कि घर में बच्चा पढ़ता ही नहीं है और ट्यूशन में आके पेरेंट्स कहेंगे कि see he is not performing well and all those things. See, 1 hour
Hmm.
he is spending at the tuition, 5 hour
Yeah.
he or she is spending in the school, but apart from
Hmm.
that 6 hour, he or she is spending almost 18 hours to 16 hours in the home. And if
Exactly.
you are still saying that कि, okay, he or she is not performing, so it's a quite ununderstandable कि मतलब आप कह क्या रहे हो. So again, yeah, true, it's very true कि एक being a team, चाहे आप disabled बच्चे के साथ हो या फिर normal बच्चे के साथ हो, क्योंकि attention सबको चाहिए होता है.
Yes.
ग्रोथ सबको चाहिए होता है, क्योंकि यदि प्रॉपर ग्रोथ नहीं होगा वही बच्चा डिसेबल्ड होके डिसेबिलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो
Exactly.
फॉर द प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट्स को भी उतना ही सपोर्ट करना पड़ता है. दिस इज द रीजन मैम. एक और चीज मैं इस चीज को कि आज से 10 साल पहले या 15 साल पहले पेरेंटिंग नाम की कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होती थी.
Hmm.
और पहले के टाइम पे हम लोगों ने ये भी देखा है कि एक घर में 10-10 बच्चे हुआ करते थे, राइट.
Yeah.
तो लेकिन उस टाइम पे हमने पेरेंटिंग का इतना पेरेंटल ट्रेनिंग का इतना बूम नहीं देखा था जितना आज हम लोग देख रहे हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ कि न्यूक्लियर फैमिली है सबके पास,
Yeah.
राइट, कि एक बच्चे दो बच्चे हैं. बट अगेन या द रीजन बिहाइंड इज कि हम लोग मॉडर्निटी की तरफ इतना अपने आप को डाल रखा है हमने कि उस चीज को फिर अंडरस्टैंड करना हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि क्या हमारे बच्चों के लिए राइट है, क्या हमारे लिए राइट है। इवन जो आपने एक बात बोला कि बच्चे घर में रह के सीखते हैं। इवन आई एम ऑल्सो अ फादर ऑफ 2 किड्स। सो इवन अभी वो 2.5 साल के हैं। अभी क्या होता है कि टीवी चलता रहता है, समटाइम्स कोई गाना चल रहा होता है या समटाइम्स कोई मूवी चल रही होती है, कुछ एक वर्ड आता है, he or she both, मतलब ट्विंस हैं,
Exactly.
तो रिपीट करते हैं कि वो क्या बोल रहा है। समटाइम्स आई वाज शॉक्ड कि मतलब ये कहाँ से सीख के आ गए तुम। तो
Yeah,
ऑब्वियसली या
exactly, Chandan, you are very true. We are looking for occupational therapist. We are looking for cognitive therapist. You know why? Because if you are at home and if you are aware each and everything, as I said you earlier, that not only ADHD, if you are capable, like cutting vegetables, folding clothes, and managing the house, cleaning house, and helping hands of the mother, so it would makes not only to self dependent of the child, but also they are learning lots of things like gripping. You are going for a therapist and you are paying a lot of huge money, huge amount of money for the gripping. And I'm telling you, because when I deal with a ADHD child, so there are some attention issues. So on attention issues, parents come to me that Nishi ma'am, the child is not paying attention, they are not, they are lacking sitting span. So what I tell, of course they will pay me for those therapies, but that is only a home remedies. I see my therapy what I am giving, the lockdown never affect on my therapy. Why? Because my therapies are absolutely inside the home. You should not go outside and purchase anything. What I'll give you one example, because whosoever watching this video, they must be learned something to create home, create something, TLM, that is called teaching learning material. Yes, of course, because in one session I can't able to include each and everything, but here is a Chandan, so may make series about that. So TLM is a kind of teaching learning material. What I'm doing for a sitting span, what you do, a kind of box, when you have any empty box you have at home, that you are ordering foods or something from outside, so that is plastic box. So you will close the box, and you need to make a hole, different many holes in that box, and you have to give a matchsticks to the child, and you have to say that okay, you need to put all keep all the matchsticks inside the hole. And during putting the matchstick inside the hole, you have to say anything like ABCD 1 2 3 4, or counting anything you can say, and sit here. And you can give as a competition with the siblings, because if it is comes from the competition, they will learn and they will have fun. So this is a kind of activities. And of course, second, you can give something to segregate, like you can give rajma and chana, two things, and you can mix it well, and then say, or rajma or lobia you can say, because they are different color. Okay, separate those things. So it is a game, who will separate first. Secondly, you can say, okay, there are 5 bottles, 6 bottles, who will fill the bottle first. So there is 2 tap and 6 bottles, so start filling the bottles. So these things, you can see that if the child is 6 years old, they are not able to hold 5 liters bottle. They are holding very pathetic way, they are not holding properly. जब आप 5 लीटर का बॉटल एक 5 साल के बच्चे को देते हो, तो बड़ा अजीब सा वो लगता है, ऐसे गिर जाएगा. तो दैट इज बैलेंसिंग. और यू कैन से व्हेन यू आर टेलिंग कि ठीक है, एक जो हमारा कोल्ड ड्रिंक का बॉटल आता है, उसका जो माउथ होता है बहुत छोटा होता है, उसमें आप बोलेंगे पानी डालो, तो दैट विल नॉट प्रॉपरली, दे विल फॉल डाउन. So and if you say that okay, the broad mouth bottle, you can say that okay, pour the water inside, they will pour easily. So it is a called eye hand coordination, when the child is pouring water from the jug to glass, or glass to bottle. So these kinds of activities make sitting span and concentration span increase. So who will do this? Child never do this alone. You have to, as a mother, as a caregiver, you have to be with them. So these are the activities. And before starting, every educationalist, every therapist, every educator should understand and make a rule. Whenever a parents or a child comes to me, I make a rule: you need to keep a diary, and you need to understand what I am doing, and you have to I'm giving the homework to child as well as you also. If child, because if you do, Chandan, if you do this, like this, they will not do blame game. After some session they are telling, oh, to asar nahi ho raha, output nahi aa raha hai, but when you involve the parents,
Correct.
they can understand the pain of teaching, how we are teaching, how hard work we are doing. But if the output is not coming, it means we need to improve ourselves, not child never has any problem. If the problem lies inside you, inside me, or inside the environment. So you need to rectify that. Don't blame the child or don't blame the educator. So it is going through the proper channel, proper planning. So it is my way of teaching when I teach. So because of that, initially parents are very puzzled, ma'am, how can I do, I don't know, like this. And after 10 to 15 days, because I give one session and after that I'll take a break, session, I'm not going doing like that. One session and 4, 5, 6 days depends on the child requirement. That is a gap. After that, the second session. After 2, 3 sessions, Chandan, I'll tell you, the parents are so happy and they said, oh ma'am, though I am not certified, but now I'm going to be a special educator. So it makes me smile. And as you know that my bank balance is filled with a smile and blessings. So I'm
Obviously,
so
ma'am.
blessed.
Obviously, as a being a special educator and counselor, this is our responsibility, and obviously, and because we are dealing with the regular problems and parents' problem also. So obviously, blessings are also a kind of bank
Yeah.
balance only, right? And okay, so last but not the least, already. I have seen many informations related to COVID-19 crisis, right? And
Mhm.
but I have seen, instead of huge informations available at a various portals and all those things, but I have seen day by day now we are going through a huge number. The numbers are increasing day by day at a drastic level, right? Every day
Yeah.
57,000, 58,000
Yes.
nowadays. So being a
Mhm.
responsible person of a society, still lots of suggestions are there in the market, lots of
Yeah.
informations are there, but again it is our social responsibility being a responsible person. So in same way, same method or same way, I just wanted from your side also, what is your appeal, what is your suggestion to our citizen of India, so that they will get benefited from this suggestion, ki what kind of precautions they can adapt, they can uh, during this particular thing to save themselves or save their family.
Exactly. See, Chandan, that is very true. That situation is very pathetic. And I can say the education comes first. When you are educated, you need to understand, not you need to feel about your life. You need to be careful about others' life also. So, first of all, don't go outside until it's urgent. And if it's urgent, you need to do only two things, nothing more, that wear mask and keep distance. When you keep distance, because in COVID, many things, as you said, that people said like spreading like this or that. But even WHO has many concern. But I'm not going for that. We, as a layman language, I'll tell you that only two things you have to understand after before going: wear your mask and keep distance. And when you came house, after coming, you need to remove your shoes outside, and your mask also throw. If it is dispatchable, you can throw. And then you have to go for bath if possible. If bath is not possible, you can wash your face, wash your hands. But I think it is, when you take bath, it will gives you, because in family there are other person also. So first you have to wear mask and keep distance, because distance is very important, because you don't know who are infected. Everybody is not diagnosed, but you
Hmm.
need to understand your responsibility. And this is not only, when you go outside, I think many people are taking very easily
Hmm.
nowadays. They're not wearing masks, they're not, keeping
True.
distance. So we should understand, because this is our responsibility. Why we are Indian are so, hardworking,
Hmm.
so intelligent in each and everything. And it's very important, as we are discussing about diet. So we should add ginger, and cinnamon, and tulsi, and you can say early morning you can take, when you get up. First, don't take, only, like, food. You have to take plenty amount of water, add with tulsi and ginger. If you add tulsi and ginger with your water and take twice, thrice, and every time when you have your food, when you don't have, when you're empty stomach, that will increase your immunity. So nothing to worry. You just take precaution as a responsible citizen. That is your responsibility.
Yeah, true, very true, ma'am. And it is also truth कि कोरोना आपको तभी हो सकता है जब तक आप उसको इनवाइट नहीं करोगे. If
Exactly.
if you do all precautionary act, आप बाहर निकल रहे हो कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि see, life is not going to stop. Whatever the
Exactly.
necessary things that you need to acquire, आपको बाहर जाके करना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे जॉब हो या
Yes.
फिर कुछ भी है, physical activity. I know everybody is exhausted for during this home arrest time, right? I
Yeah.
am just, I can say it's a home arrest time. So okay, ठीक है, बाहर जाओ, लेकिन don't play with your life and your family's life just कि आप, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत बार देखा है कि लोग मास्क नहीं पहन रहे हैं, मतलब प्रिकॉशनरी एक्ट अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं और मार्केट में
Exactly.
जा रहे हैं. सो सी गाइज, आप कितने भी क्राउडेड एरिया में चले जाओ, इफ यू आर डूइंग ऑल प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स, फॉलोइंग ऑल प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स, कोरोना विल नॉट टच यू फॉर गारंटी. जब भी आप
Yeah, and
बाहर,
don't be, sorry, I interrupt you, Chandan, but don't be emotional.
या,
Sometimes what I feel, people are, okay, you're not taking tea, you're not taking my
हम्म,
water, you're not
हम्म,
using my pen. I'll tell you, yesterday my one of the session was outside, and some motivational talks are there. So I do the same thing what I
हम्म,
suggest here. So I use my mask, I use my pen. So they are giving, they are paying some amount, so they are giving, offering the pen. So I said, excuse me, so I'm searching pen in my purse, so I'm not finding. So you take my pen. So I said, no, sorry, I'll use my pen. So you have to very, very careful about using other, equipment, whether it is
करेक्ट,
pen, headphone, mobile, water, or tea, anything. You should
हम्म,
be careful, and it's not, related to emotions, that you are not
राइट,
insulting anyone.
हम्म,
See, this is a self care. This is not
करेक्ट,
selfishness. You
करेक्ट,
need to
करेक्ट.
understand the thin line between
Now the
selfishness
concept
and
is changed, ma'am.
self
Now the
care.
concept is changed. पहले क्या होता था कि,
Exactly.
पहले क्या होता था कि
Sharing.
किसी रिलेटिव को हम लोग ये बोलते थे कि आप घर नहीं आते हो, अब हम लोग कहते हैं कि आप दूर ही सही.
No,
तो
they should understand. They should understand. This
yeah,
is called education, Chandan.
correct, correct. And this is the demand of current situation also. This is the
Yeah.
demand. And obviously after 5 months, 6 months, the things will be normal. Then obviously we all have a freedom to live our life.
Yes.
And we have a
Yes.
flexibility to do all those things. And even it's not about to go outside with the all precaution. Whenever you come to your home, rather than going to first contact with all the family members, just go to washrooms and just sanitize yourself, and then you do
Yeah.
the all activities in your household also.
Hmm.
So
Exactly.
with this, and my appeal is also कि स्वस्थ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और घर पे रहिए जब तक की जरूरत ना पड़े आपको बाहर निकलने की. तो
Yes.
ये एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज है आज के इस कोविड-19 के टाइम में. So with this,
चंदन, कभी
yeah,
भी क्या होता है, चंदन, कभी भी शरीर की दूरी दिल की दूरी नहीं बनती है. आपको शरीर
correct.
की दूरी रखनी है, दिल की दूरी मत बनाइए.
बिल्कुल,
दिल से
बिल्कुल,
नजदीक रखिए.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Very true, ma'am. So with this, thank you, Nisi ma'am, for being a part of this initiative, spread the awareness. And today was the episode number 12. and I hope our viewers will also enjoy while watching this particular video as well. So viewers, I will come to you again with the new topics, with the new episode. So meanwhile, just wait and keep subscribing our YouTube channel and spread this video to your network, so that we will able to help more and more concerned individual, concerned parent, concerned students, concerned kids. So with this note, I'm just taking leave from this session. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Thank you, Nisi ma'am.
Thank you, Chandan. Thank you so much.